Hello students, I am Pawan. I am going to show the long division method. Now, first of all, I am going to tell you one rule of the exponent. You know that x raised to the power 1 by 2 is called root x. Suppose if I am going to write 4 raised to the power 1 by 2, I have to write root of 4. Root of 4 means 2. Either you can solve by this method or you can write 2 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 1 by 2. You can cancel both the 2's and your answer is same 2. Now for the perfect square there is no problem. Suppose 441 is the perfect square of 21 and 841 is the perfect square of 29 and you can say 1225 is the perfect square of 35. So in perfect square there is no problem, you can cross verify by the multiplication method also, but in case of long division method you have to learn how it works and you can find out the complex value by the long division method. Suppose I will take the simple example. Under root 2 is 1.414. Okay. Now in long division method you have to divide it 2 and you have to, first rule is you have to consider the square smaller than 2. Square smaller than 2 is 1, so you have to put 1 at the dividend part and you have to put 1 at the quotient part. So 1 into 1 is, your answer is 1 and the difference is 1. Now add this quotient to the dividend. I am going to add, your value is 2. For this, now value is finished, but I have to find out the value of under root 2. So I have to put 1 decimal. Similarly, what we are doing in the division method. But in that case, you have to put this 2 to this point and you got two zeros. These 2 zeros simply come here and you have to find out the value and or you can say you have to find out the number that should be multiplied with the same digit, means you have to put the same number at the at the dividend place and the quotient place. Suppose I am going to put 23 into 3. 23 into 3 69. It is smaller than 100. So you can put 24 into 4 and put 1 decimal here, and 24 into 4 is 96. So your difference is 40, and again you have to put 4 from the quotient and add this value at the unit place in the dividend part. You got that 24 plus 4, 28. Now 28 is here. Now you can put also 2 zeros. In long division method, why I am going to put 2 zeros? Because it has a power that you can apply 2 zeros when you are going to apply this decimal. Now 28 you have to put the value smaller than 400, so you can place only 1. So 281 into 1 is 281. So your remainder is 119. Now you are going to add 1 at the unit place. Your value become 282 and 119. Now you have to consider this value is smaller than 282. Now again you have to carry 2 zeros because you have already initially applied the decimal part. Now I have to select the number which can be 2821 multiply by 1, then this value is far smaller. We have to select few more numbers. So I have considered that around 4. So 2824 into 4 is 4 4 is 16, 129, then 1 carry 2 and 4 to the 8, 11296 when I am going to multiply, or when I am going to put 4 at the unit place and 4 here. Now you can find out it is smaller than 1190 and the value become visible to you. 1.414 is the value of root 2. You can similarly find out the value of root 3. You can practice on your own. I will also help you. If you have find any problem, you can leave your comment in the comment section, and I will show few more perfect square roots how we are going to find. Suppose 841 is square of 29. So I have to divide 841. I have to pair it from the right to left. Right one is 41 and this is 8. The number or the square smaller than 8 is 4. So I am going to write 4 here and not 4 here. 2 to the 4 is there. So you can write 2 and 2 here. 2 to the 4. 4 I am right here. Now again you have to put this quotient here and add it. 2 plus 2 is 4 and your difference is 4. 4 and 1 will come 441. Now you have to find out at what number 441 will come. So there are two numbers, 41 and 49. If you are going to multiply 41 into 1, you got 41, which is far smaller than, you can say it is a much smaller than 441. And 49 into 49, we can cross check. 49 into 49 is 1. 49 into 9. 49 into 9 is 1 and 4, 4. It is 4, 4, 1. You can easily multiply and check your answer. I am going to place 9 here and here. You can see square of 841. Yeah, square root of 841 is 29. You can watch more numbers or you can solve more numbers using this technique. And I am going to discuss few rules. If a number is suppose if the number is 17234, you have to consider from right to left. You have to pair this, and you have to find out the square smaller than 1 or equal to 1. So you can put 1. Or if the number is of 6 digit, suppose 2, 8, 9, 4, 3, 6. So again you have to pair this, and then find out the first square smaller than 28. This is you can say 5. So is it this is the square root of maybe of digit that is come at the place of 100 or maybe 10, and but start with 5 because we have pair it and find out the square is smaller than 28. If you find out any decimal value, you suppose any root 3 is 1.732, then you can know, and you just memorize that if you are going to put one decimal, then you can put 00. That decimal in long division has a power, you can apply 00. Thank you.